Hello everyone. Our chapter merged in a plane. Previously we are introducing vector addition. Okay, how we can introduce into the vector addition. Okay, there are mainly two things here applicable. Now first one, vector. Okay, head and tail method. Clearly we can observe our previous class, head and tail method. Okay, we can introduce there are two types of two-dimensional vectors. Now first vector A bar and the second vector B bar. Okay, the chapter motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. This is our chapter. Okay. Today we are discussing about resolution of vector. Which one? Resolution of vector. Resolution of vector. Now what is resolution? Resolution means we can applicable of splitting. Okay. Resolution means we are taking splitting. Splitting means we can introduce into the same path of the difference between any two vectors. Okay, resolution of vector. Resolution of okay. Resolution means which we are applicable. There are two-dimensional properties of vector. We can applicable to splitting of any each other. These phenomena is known as resolution. Okay, resolution means splitting of any two vectors represented by at same manner. This phenomenon is known as resolution of vector. Splitting means we can applicable to there are two types of vectors. Now first vector A bar and second vector B bar. There are two types of vectors. Clear? We can introduce in our previous class A bar and B bars. There are two-dimensional vector coefficients. Okay. Clearly we can observe A bar and B bars are in resolution vectors. Okay. Clear? We can applicable to these position in case only for we are introducing to the A bar position. A bar position. Okay. Now A bar is equals to AX1. Okay. And AY. Okay, at x-axis, at y-axis, our previous class. Clear? Now, ax means at x direction to the 8th position, y direction to the bth position. There are two interpretations of the positions. Okay, clear? This is the manner of A only for 8th vector. 8th vector is equals to A is the sufficient position, or we are introducing to the diagonal purpose of x-axis, and diagonal purpose of y-axis. It ax plus or ax and ay. Clear? Now A bar is equals to this one AX plus AY. This is the introducing to the first vector coefficient. Now A bar is equals to AX plus AY. This is the resolution of vector. In resolution of vector, we can introduce it to there are vector positions. In the first one we are introducing magnitude and second one we are introducing direction. Okay? Right? We are going to the magnitude of the position in resolution vector. Okay? Clearly we can observe to the graphical method or graph of the resolution of vector. Okay. Now graph of resolution vector at x-axis, at y-axis. Clear? At x-axis, at y-axis. For example, I choose to this is the origin point, is 4 5. Origin point. Okay. I can introducing to the first position. The position we are taken the graphical position, the diagonal of position. Okay. Origin point 2. This is the diagonal of the position. Okay. Now this one is resultant one. Resultant we are introducing to the word at 8th vector A bar. 8th vector A bar. Okay. Now we can join to the x-axis of the lines. This is the first one. Okay. Now this point is known as A for x-axis. Suffix we can. Okay. Again we can introducing to the at y-axis this one. Clear? Now this displacement we are introducing at A by okay. X is the position of the point. Y is the position of the point at x-axis and y-axis. There are two interpretations of these positions. Okay. We can introduce into these time we can theta representation, for example. Theta representation. There are splitting of any two positions. Okay. The position of x-axis and position of y-axis. The position maintaining the diagonal passing which can through diagonal passing at origin point to at infinity point. Okay, at infinity point. Clear? You can observe this point is known as 8th vector. Clear? The line joining to the edge of the point to x-axis, the line joining to the at y-axis position. This one x-axis, ax. This one is ay. With respect to we are using theta representation. Okay, the representation function of theta. Clear? Now, our previous one, a bar is equals to ax plus ay. A bar is equals to ax plus ay at x-axis to at y-axis position. Okay, right? We are going to the first one, the magnetic position. Okay, at theta representation we are introducing to. There are two cosines is here. Now first cosine is sin theta, second cosine is cos theta. Clear? Now first one we can introducing at sin theta. At sin theta. Theta representation. Which one we can take it? This one by this one. Clear? This is the position by this is the position. The position we can introduce into this one. This one we can do the same axis of the position with this one. Okay? Is equals to ay by the diagonal was a bar. Okay? A bar or a. Okay? Clear? Now second, this is the sin theta represented. Sin means the opposite by hypotenuse. Clear? Now cos theta. At cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Clear? Ax by a. This is two interpretation of cosines. Now first one is sin theta is equals to ay by a. Cos theta is equals to ax by a. Okay, now this one we can introduce into the position. Okay, ay is equals to a is the division property which is multiplied to the again every position of the property. Okay, clear? Now a sin theta. Okay, and same as ax is equals to a cos theta. A cos theta. Clear? Ax is equals to and ay is equals to this can be represented. Now ax is equals to a cos theta, ay is equals to a sin theta. Both sides we are introducing to square position, both sides of squares. Okay, from equation number 1, from equation number 2. Okay, and to from equation number 1 represents both sides square. Okay, now ay square is equals to a square sin square theta. Clear? Now ax square is equals to a square cos square theta. There are two cosines. Now first cosine we are introducing ay square, both sides squares. Clear one. Now ay square is equals to a square sin square theta. Ax square is equals to a square cos square theta. Clear one. There are two interpretation of these lines. Okay, ax square and ay square. Okay, clear. You can observe ax plus ay. Okay, addition. Okay, addition of these vectors. Now ax square plus ay square is equals to, now first one a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Okay, clear one. Now a square is the common property. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to how much? Only 1. Okay, this one I can write here. Okay, now x square plus ay square is equals to a square into 1. Since we are taken, okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1 representation. Okay, now this one ax square plus ay square is equals to a square. Now a is equals to square root of ax square plus ay square. Now this phenomenon is the magnitude of resolution of vector. Which one? Magnitude of resolution of vector. Clear one? Now a is equals to square root of a square plus ax square plus ay square. We are introducing to, there are two types of coefficients. Now first coefficient of at x-axis ax, at y-axis ay. Clear? All this we are introducing to the passing of diagonal a is equal to the resultant vector a is equals to the first one to second one, ax plus ay. In sin theta we can introduce theta represents in these position or these graphical position. A theta represents sin theta is equals to opposite by. Okay. Now second one, cos theta is equals to adjacent by. Okay, clear? Now this is the cos representation. In various ay and axes are mainly both side squares. we are applicable in both set squares. Ay square is equals to a square sin square theta, ax square is equals to a square cos square theta. We are applicable to the addition of this vector ax square plus ay square is equals to, clear we can observe to a square cos square theta, a square sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The resolution of vector of magnitude a is equals to square root of ax square plus ay square. Now this is the magnitude of resolution vector. A combination of, we are introducing same as the direction of resolution of vector. Okay, clear? Now this one is magnitude of resolution of vector. Clear? We are going to direction of the resolution of vector. Now what is the direction which can be we are taking? Clear one? Okay, in vector there are mainly two things. Now first one is magnitude and second one is direction. Clear? In our previous class I have been introducing. Okay? Magnitude of resolution of vector is equals to a is equals to square root of ax square plus ay square. Our previous equation, now this one. Okay? This is the magnitude one. Now direction. Direction of resolution of vector. Now you can introduce it to direction. The direction means that we can applicable the tan of the position. Tan of the position. Now tan means the theta representation is always represented by, there are two types of position. Okay, direction means we can take and do this one. Okay. Now tan theta is equals to, tan theta is equals to, okay, theta representation it is ay by ax. Clear one? That is ay by ax. This is the direction of the position. How we can, okay, how it's represented in direction we can applicable. There are two things. The first one, the first axis of first position. Okay. Our previous equation also we can introduce equation 1. Equation 1 means we can introduce into at ax is ay square is equals to, the y means at y representation. Okay. A square sin square theta. That's the point. At ax square is equals to a square cos square theta. These represents of the equation we are not applicable to both sides of squares. Okay. At ay is equals to y position. Okay. A sin theta. At ax is equals to a cos theta. Okay. This is the equation number A and equation number B. Okay. From equation a by 2, a by b, okay, so a by b. Now ay by ax is equals to a sin theta by a cos theta. A get cancelled. Remaining sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Clear one? Tan theta. Ay by ax is equals to sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Clear one? Now tan theta is equals to ay by ax. Tan theta is equals to ay by ax. Since theta representation theta is equals to tan inverse of ay by ax. Now this is the direction of resolution of vector. Clear? Our previous one, magnitude of resolution of vector at a is equals to square root of ax square plus ay square. Now direction of vector theta is equals to tan inverse of ay plus ax. These are representation we can introduce in resolution of a vector. Okay, this is the very important one in our topic, resolution of a vector. Clear one? Today we are discussing about another topic, vector addition at analytical method. Vector addition analytical method. Vector addition analytical method. Vector addition analytical method. Previous I am introducing vector addition. Vector addition means A is equals to, at resultant R is equals to A plus B. Okay, A bar plus B bar. This is the resolution of O. This is the which one? Vector addition. Now next topic, vector addition analytical method. Vector addition. Okay, analytical method. In vector addition, you can introduce there are two vectors. There are two dimensional vectors. At vector A and vector B. At vector A and vector B. Now vector addition means we can introduce into there are two applicable of the positions. The resultant of this A vector. Okay. A bar is equals to Ax and Ay. Ax and Ay. This is the vector addition. Now A is always represents Ax and Ay representation. Clearly we can introduce magnitude of resolution of vector and direction of resolution of vector. Okay. Now we can introduce it to A bar is equals to Ax and Ay. Okay. Addition means we can introduce it that A bar is equals to Ax plus Ay. A bar is equals to Ax and Ay. Now this is the clear. Now we can introduce that A is equals to Ax is equals to or A bar is equals to. There are two things. The first one Ax and Ay. Now same vector we can introduce it. B bar is equals to Bx plus By. A bar is equals to Ax plus Ay. B bar is equals to Bx plus By. Okay. In those vector we can introduce adding or applying unit vectors. Applying unit vectors. Same vectors we can applicable in this one. A bar is equals to Ax I cap. Okay. Ay j. Now first one. We are applying unit vectors. Unit vectors in I cap and j caps. I caps and j caps. Okay. A bar is equals to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. Now B bar is equals to Bx I cap By j cap. There are two vectors in adding, but A bar plus B bar is equals to. Clear one? A bar plus B bar is equals to the adding of vector. Now first one, this one. Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. First one completed. Plus now second plus Bx I cap By j cap. Okay. Now unit vectors of I cap and I cap we are adding to first representation. Ax plus Bx of I cap. Clear? This is I cap. This is I cap. Okay. Plus Ay plus By of j cap. Which one? A bar plus B bar. Okay. Since this representation function R bar is equals to Rx I cap Ry j cap. This is the representation. Since you can write I can write in this instrument. Since A bar plus B bar is equals to A bar plus B bar is equals to R bar first one. Okay. Ax plus Bx is equals to Rx. Ax plus Bx is equals to Rx. Now Ay plus By is equals to Ry. Ay plus By is equals to Ry. These positions is made by vector addition. Clear one? Vector addition. Vector addition. A bar represents Ax and Ay. In case we are introducing our graphical method, there is the point of the position R introducing to the diagonal of the position. Okay, if A bar is equals to our resultant vector R bar is equals to or someone we can introduce into this type of letters is here. Okay, now A bar is equals to Ax and Ay. Clear? Now A bar is equals to Ax plus Ay and B bar is equals to Bx into By. Which one? Bx into By. Okay, applying unit vectors at I cap and j caps. Okay, now A bar is equals to Ax into I cap, Ay into j cap. Bx into I cap, By into j cap. Okay, A bar plus B bar is equals to this one we can adding. Okay, Ax into I cap plus Ay into j cap plus Bx into I cap plus By into j cap. Okay, both I caps are similarly we can introduce into the one part Ax plus Bx. Okay, Ay plus By. Okay, this one R bar is equals to Rx I cap plus Ry j cap. Okay, those we can introduce. This one is R, Rx, R cap. R, Rx and Ry. This interpretation is known as vector addition. Now analytical method, the first one, the sum of the example is here. Okay. For example, I choose the one of the example of analytical method. Okay. Now what we can introduce into analytical method of vector? Clear one? Okay. We can start our analytical method. The best example we can introduce. There are three combinations of vectors or three-dimensional vectors A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, and C. For example, there are three types of vectors: A vector, B vector, and C vector. Okay, A vector, B vector, and C vector. Clear? We can introduce into these types of vectors. Okay, for example, A bar is equals to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. Okay. Now B bar is equals to Bx into I cap plus By into j cap. Now third one, C bar is equals to Cx into I cap plus Cy into j cap. These three vectors are three-dimensional vectors. At x-axis to y-axis, at x-axis to y-axis, x to y-axis. In z-axis we can introduce it. At the same one we can introduce into Ax, Ay, Az, Bx, By, Bz, Cx, Cy, Cz also. Okay na? I, J, K, I can choosing we are taken. I, J, K also we can introduce. Okay na? For example, we can start. Okay, we can start at the position at G is the vector interpretation. Vector interpretation. Okay, G vector at Gx plus Gy or Gx and Gy. Gx and Gy. At Gx is equals to, we can introducing the first one. The first one we can introducing at A, B, C position. Okay, at Gx is equals to the vector A minus B plus C vector. A minus B plus C vector. Now first we can take Gx of the position, x direction of the position. X direction of the position, there are three types of vectors. Now first vector A, second vector B, and third vector C. A minus of B plus C. Clear one? Now A we can introduce this one, Ax, Bx, Cx. Clear one? Right. Gx is equals to Ax at x-axis minus Bx plus Cx. Okay. Now Ax minus Bx minus into plus minus Cx. Clear one? So this is the Gx portion. Gx portion. Now we can introducing into Gy portion also we can introducing. Okay. A plus B minus C. A is the first vector. We can introduce into the negative one, positive and positive. A is the positive vector and positive half of the B, the minus C. Clear one? Okay, at G, at y direction of the position, at y direction we can introduce it to go y. Clear one? Is equals to Ay plus By minus Cy. Okay, this one Ay plus By minus Cy. Now this is the Gy combination. Okay, there are two vectors we can introduce it to analytical method. Two things we are applicable to Gx and Gy are always vector addition to analytical methods. Okay, addition we can introduce it to our previous one, A bar plus B bar. We can introduce it to the same one at Gx and Gy. We can introduce it to the Gth one is the resultant one. The resultant one mainly we are using to our vector positions. Our vector positions. Previously we can introduce into our vector positions or vector properties also we can clear. Okay, this one is associative loss. Clear one? Associative loss. Ax, A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. We can introduce into the negative path also we can introduce in our previous one. Clear one? Now this is the vector addition of analytical method. Clear? We are going to the sufficient, the best example of the problematic or theoretical of the equation of. Okay? There are two types of vectors. Okay? The magnitude of two types of vectors. If any resultant vector R bar represents 2, define magnitude and angle of theta representation. Okay? Now first one, statement. statement. Okay. Now statement we can introduce it. There are two types of vectors. Okay. If any two magnitude of vectors A bar and B bars. A bar and B bars. Okay, A bar and B bars. When the diagonal passing through R. Okay, clear? When we are taking, there are two types of vectors. We can introduce into only for magnitudes, A bar and B bar. The resultant vector is R bar. Okay, the diagonal passing through R bar. Okay, magnitude and angle of theta. Clear? We can introduce into there are two types of vectors and A bars and B bar, and R is the diagonal passing through any two vectors. Okay. Now what is the magnitude and angle of theta? Okay. Clear one. What is the magnitude and angle of theta representation? Now this is the statement. The statement we can get it into the first position of these statements. Okay. Now there are two types of vectors. Clear one. Okay. There are two types of vectors. Clear one. This is the O is the origin point. Okay. Now first vector A bar vector. Now this is the B bar vector. A bar vector and B bar vector. Which we can applicable the diagonal passing through R bar. Okay, clear one? So this is the diagonal. The diagonal passing through R bar. R bar. Clear one? The R lines joined. Okay. This is the joining point. Again, we can introduce it to these joining point. Okay, this is the O. For example, this one is P. Clear? Okay. Now this is the R vector. O, P, Q. This one is R. This one is S. Clear? I choose the rectangle of O, P, Q, S passing through the diagonal R bar. This is the A vector, this is the B vector. This is the statement we can complete it. Okay, we can add it to the sum of position or implementance of these one. Okay, this one we can add into these the position of. Okay, this is the S, this one is N. I can choose into perpendicular at each position to R of the position. So this is the perpendicular position. Clear one? This is the perpendicular position. Now perpendicular position, this is the perpendicular axis. Okay, this is the M. This one is M. M. Okay. Now these M is the opposite to the direction. Okay. These we can using to this theta representation overall we can applicable to theta property. Okay. Overall we can applicable to theta property. How we can applicable in manner to theta property? Okay. This one also theta representation. This is the perpendicular axis. Theta representation perpendicular axis. Those one we can introduce into the sum of statements. Okay, how we can? Now what was the perpendicular to axis? Okay, okay. PM is perpendicular to OS. Okay, PM is perpendicular to OS. First, clear? PM is perpendicular to OS, first statement. Okay. SN is perpendicular to ON. Okay. SN is perpendicular to ON. ON. This one. Okay. From we are going to the sum of statement of situation. Okay. Now this one which can be applicable is a rectangle formation we are using to the first half of the triangle. Okay, with OSN. Okay, triangle of OSN. Triangle of OSN by using Pythagoras law. Okay, by using Pythagoras Okay, already previously we can introducing. Okay, previously in school purpose we can introducing to Pythagoras laws. Now Pythagoras law we can introducing OS square. Clear one? O angle, the triangle of OSN is equals to, we can introducing to Pythagoras law. OS square is equals to ON square plus SN square. Clear? Now first we are going to OS square is equals to first one ON square plus SN square. Okay. The obligation point of this one from Pythagoras laws, OS square is equals to ON square plus SN square. Clear one? Now OS is equals to which one we have taken? R1. Try to we can applicable this one. Now next step of OS square is equals to ON means OP plus PL. OP plus PL whole square plus SN square. Clear? Since OS is equals to R bar. Okay. OP is equals to A bar and OQ is equals to R B bar. Now OQ is equals to SP. OQ is equals to SP. Okay. Now we can introducing PN and SN also. Okay. Now we are choosing to another triangle theta representation, angle SPN. Okay. The triangle of SPN. Okay, theta representation from sin theta is equals to theta is equals to opposite by SN by SP. Since SP is equals to at B, okay, sin theta is equals to SN by SP means B bar. Now SN is equals to B bar sin theta. Now this is the SN. At sin theta representation. From we are going to PN purpose, we can introducing PN1. Okay, theta representation from cos theta. Okay, from cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, PN by SP. Okay, since PN is equals to, we are introducing now SP means B bar. Cos theta is equals to PN by B bar. Okay, at PN is equals to B bar cos theta. This is the second way. Clear one? SN is equals to B bar sin theta. PN is equals to B bar cos theta. Okay. Now this one we are applicable in this final equation of this position. Okay. OS square is equals to. Clear one? Okay. I can write this here. Okay. PN. Now OS is equals to how much? R bar. R bar is equals to. Okay. OP means A bar. Plus PN means B bar cos theta. B bar cos theta whole square plus SN square. SN means B bar sin theta plus B bar square sin square theta. B bar square sin square theta. Okay. Now this one is R bar square. Okay. Now R bar square is equals to A plus B whole square manner. Okay. Now A bar square plus B bar square cos square theta plus 2A bar B bar cos theta again plus B bar square sin square theta. This one B bar square cos square theta, B bar square sin square theta represents sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, I can introducing R bar square is equals to A bar square plus B bar square cos square theta plus B bar square sin square theta plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, Now r bar square is equals to a bar square plus b bar square is the common factor. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to how much? 1 2ab is theta. Now this one is always 1. Okay. Now r bar square is equals to a bar square plus b bar square. B bar square into 1 plus 2 a bar b bar cos theta. This is the magnitude of the state. Magnitude r bar square is equals to a bar square plus b bar square minus 2 a bar b bar cos theta. This is the representation manner we are introducing magnitude of each position. Okay. In vector there are mainly containing two types. The first one is magnitude 1, second one is direction 1. Magnitude is 1 completed. Clear one? Today we are discussing about another one is in this topic direction 1. Okay. In these directions we can introduce into its represents. Okay. The direction of these represents. Direction of this represents. Now direction which one? Which represents we are taken? The direction is mainly containing the above one. Okay. At sign representation. And at sign representation. Okay. Direction. Direction. Okay. Now these direction one we can introduce into first application of these property. Okay. Now this is the alpha one. This one is beta reference. Clear? Alpha and beta. Okay. Now angle OSN. Angle OSN. Sorry. Angle OSP we can introduce. The triangle of OSP. First one. OSP. In OSP we can introduce into. There are two types of vectors here. Now triangle of first one in alpha particle of position and the alpha angle of position. In alpha angle, okay, alpha angle represents OMP. Triangle of OMP represents OMP. Okay, we can introduce it only for sine cosines. Okay, in sine alpha. In sine alpha. Clear one? Okay. Sin alpha is equals to, sin means opposite, opposite means you can take PM, by which one you can introduce into alpha means this one is a bar, okay. PM is equals to a bar sin alpha, these we can introduce into this one, the first one, angle OPM introducing, okay. Now sin theta is equals to, sin theta means we can applicable to opposite, opposite means we can introduce into this one. Okay, clearly we can observe OM also we can introduce it. Now OM we can introduce into the R bar also. Now OM is equals to R bar by this one we can introduce into these opposition A bar. Clear one? The same way we can introduce into these type of positions. Okay, clear? Now this is the direction one we can introduce into tomorrow. And then close it.